Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Riz, coming at you from Affiliate Knockout, where everyone's a knockout, you just don't know it yet. All right. So I'm really glad I just thought of this topic that I wanted to bring to you. And number one, little quick housekeeping: hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get so you can be stay tuned to all these greatest videos that I'm going to be uploading. All right, and providing you with a crap ton of value. Okay. So now this is one topic that I really want to discuss. How not to lose your shirt with affiliate marketing. Okay. Now what happens with affiliate marketing is now for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is it basically just allows you to grab a product or a link or something to that leads to a product, software, or course, and people buy that link, they purchase it through your link, and they get that product or whatever, and you make a commission. Okay, pretty simple, pretty good way of making money, right? Now, a couple of things that happen with this though is sometimes people get caught into shiny object syndrome, or they get caught into just looking at different articles or different things, right? So that being said, I want to show you an example of one. Okay, now I'm sitting here, I'm trying to create a blog for, I'm trying to create some content actually for my blog, Survive for Tomorrow, which is basically based around surviving, surviving natural disasters and stuff, right? So definitely got need to create some really good articles that people are going to want to read, right? However, now I'm not the greatest writer, right? But I know a thing or two, right? But at the same time, when I was looking for content, I started looking at for free PLR content. Okay, what PLR stands for is private label rights. It basically allows you to use it on your site as long as you give permission, or as long as you like give the source, and then this way you can use it on your site and you don't get hit with like a copyright infringement bill or something, right? So pretty good, right? Like if you want content and you don't want to pay for it, like you don't want to go to ezine.com, which is another article free writer, or you don't want to create it yourself, I definitely recommend doing PLR content. Okay. However, what can happen is you can get caught up in the midst of buying things. Okay. Take this for example. Number one, this is ClickBank Survival and Prepper Domination PLR. Basically gives you a whole bunch of articles for writing, blah blah blah. You get 14 crucial affiliate components, high quality content to build authority. You definitely get some good stuff, right? However, look at the price tag, $27. Number one, you get 14 articles. Okay, so that's about maybe $3 an article. My math sucks, but you get the idea. $2 an article, right? And I think, oh, that's pretty good, right? Like that's not too bad, right? And you get all these other things with it as well. But you have to also look at how much is this am I going to get a return on, right? How much of it is this going to cost me to do? Is it worth my time? That like say I want to build a sales letter and thank you page. Sometimes you can make out one in 15 to 20 minutes. If you got a really good plugin, right? You want content. You're paying $27 for a whole package, right? I mean, to be honest, you can if you add that up, right? And you're not getting a good return on investment, you're just getting maybe some like good articles, right? I mean, you're not really going to be making a lot, right? Let's take a look at another one. Survival prepper articles. PLR. Forgot to put that in. Here's another one. 25 top Amazon S3. So I'm just gonna be opening like all these tons. So now look, 350, 25 articles, 10 articles, 350. So actually 350 is actually not too bad, right? Like $3.50. But you have to also look at, are these actually worth anything? Are they worth their weight in gold, right? Saying you get 25 top articles, but is it really good, right? Convert it to an e-course and resell it. Thing is, will people actually buy this, right? Like, will people actually read these articles, right? Here's another one. Here's another one. How much is this? $3.99. Okay, so not too bad, right? But what can happen is sometimes these little purchases, you think, okay, I'll just buy like 25 articles, right? You go through it, maybe 10 of them are worth it. Spend $3.50. Go to another site like this one, spend $4. All of a sudden, maybe another 25 are good. So you got $50, 50 articles, you just spent $7, right? You still have to copy and paste them into your site, number one. Number two, you still, what can happen is sometimes those little charges add up, right? So $4 here, $7 here, $10 here, $27 here. Next thing you know, you just spent $100 just for freaking articles, right? Now think about it, guys. $100 that you may or may not have, right? But then you also have to pay your autoresponder fees, your web hosting fees, your domain name, right? Your WordPress hosting fees. Like you got to pay all those other fees per month. So now you've already spent maybe say $100 on that, and then $100 on PLR articles, and you haven't even built your site yet, right? Think of it that way: is that why should you buy? Like, don't. What I'm trying to say is, don't buy every little thing that you see just because somebody tells you, or just because you see a really good, discount, not dirt cheap, 92% off, or you see a really good sales page that basically psychologically tricks you into thinking that you need this. And these that's what a lot of these websites are. Is just psychological trickery to basically tell you that, hey, if you don't buy this, you're gonna fail at this marketing and stuff, right? But really, guys, you're not. I just banged out 3 articles in 15 minutes, and I say 20 minutes actually, and there's still pretty good content. Like I actually found one, and I'll put a link down below. I think what is it? PLR article free, and yeah, I literally just pulled it from here, right? And it's not too bad. It's got digestible content, which is what you want as well, too. Because sometimes not a lot of people are going to read a full-blown article, right? So what is it you want to accomplish with it? Cool. So that was just a little quick tidbit that I want to give you and just keep you updated on how this blog is going. And yeah, I can't wait to deliver like the next site to you. So yeah, next video. So anyways, with that being said, my name is Rose. Want to see anything? Saying thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe, and remember, you are a knockout. You just don't know it yet. All right, take care. Bye.